What is the best advice you've ever heard or received?
Trees don't hang around with the grass, even though they all started from the same place.
Spend so much time on self-improvement that you have no time to criticize others.
The magic you are looking for is in the work you're avoiding.
If you're a friend of everybody, you're an enemy to yourself.
There's no losing, only learning. There's no failure, only opportunities. And there's no problems, only solutions.
I didn't fail, I fell. And as long as I get up, I win.
If you always do what you always did, you'll always get what you always got.
If you're going to try, go all the way. Otherwise, don't even start.
The fact that it is painful is the reason that it's working.
Today is difficult. Tomorrow is much more difficult. The day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die tomorrow evening.
Your haters are out there holding their breath, waiting for you to fail. Make sure they suffocate.
Tubig sa CR, pwede kaya ito pangluto sa kanin. B6. We are here at Tai O, Lantau Island, and we're going to the campsite. So this is wild camping. Let's go. So time check guys is 3:48 in the afternoon, and ito yung Tai O view niya. Yung Tai O means wide opening. So hindi muna tayo magva-vlog doon kasi may habol tayong oras sa campsite na hindi tayo maabutan ng dilim. So, yan yung Fusion Trail, napuntahan ko na din yan. Yan yung cemetery niya, yan yung hotel, tsaka doon yung Tai O, yung village talaga. So pero so far so good. So ito yung nadatnan namin, dry, walang ng tubig, hindi tulad dati nito. Sayang. So balak namin lumipat sa may magandang view kasi that was 2 years ago yung pinuntahan ko. Ito sana.
We go there in 10 o'clock.
Oh,
it's 10 p.m.
10
tonight.
Why is it too
so long?
Too very
Kaya mo?
very far? Kaya ikaw.
No problem.
Oh, napasubo tayo nito.
Pero okay ba yun? Kaysa naman din nilang tayo.
Pero hindi na tayo mag-Tai O.
Sana tayo sasakay niya pabalik.
Doon na, kanyang lalabas tayo sa prison.
Ay, doon?
Oo.
Oh, edi at least ibang ano.
Oo. Kaya nga, pero,
kung kaya mo pa eh.
kaya naman.
Sige, tara.
Basta tamang pahinga lang. Pasubo na tayo. Sabi niya alas 10 pa daw mag-uwi, makarating.
Baka mali lang ang ano dyan. Nakain.
Do some camping and adventure.
When do you go there? Yesterday?
No, just today.
Just today.
Today?
Yeah.
Today.
Today.
I went there yesterday from Taoyuan. You know? Taoyuan and Tatongsan.
Hindi ko alam.
We already last week.
Kaya. Oh, still young. We are line of 30s. And we are a father already. Yeah. Okay. May palayan pala oh.
Yan, may filter water on.
Do they accept cash? Oh, in card, in pay? Oh, octopus?
Cash.
I think I have also here, but only small. So, is this an honest store? Oh, this is an honest store. Maganda to i-document. No one is around except us. In Philippines, we call this an honest store. You will get what you want, then you will buy, you will pay. So this is it.
Oh, energy.
Yeah. You should be honest in the store. I need Coke. That's it. So this is the honest store. I see this on 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bigay mo naman sa kanya yung
coins. Oh. Dapat sana bariya binigay niya para magaan.
Oh, you didn't choose the
It's not enough.
Anyway, it's okay.
So these are the prices in the honest store. God bless you. Para akong kalabaw.
Dạ, lấy rồi 20, 23,
So here they don't accept payment like octopus card. They only accept coins or physical money. Water is 15. Yeah, this is the price list. Thank you. The price list 15. This is if you want to eat also, they have the food here. Toppings 40. So you can screenshot this. What's this? A restaurant? What place? Kailangan paliwanag. Oh.
Abandoned.
Fanlaw Fort? Shop, okay. Shop. Fanlaw Fort, malapit na yun.
You are here. And then where are we going? Panlaw?
Hi guys, time check 6:57. We are almost close to our destination, and I I call this the Bahala. We've been there. So this your name is Whitey? It's big dog. You need 2 more hours to reach your campsite?
He isn't in He isn't in beach. He isn't in beach. So I suggest you guys
Oh, okay. So where your friends camping? In the beach?
No, he isn't in the beach.
Oh, okay.
Ano mo lang, i-type mo lang
One
sa
friends I know each other many years. He is in beach.
Okay.
I-chat mo lang, isulat mo lang.
My number is also the WeChat ID.
Okay.
So you can.
Wait.
7:29.
Yeah.
Dito pwede? Oh, baka matapos.
Hawakan ko. Inuna mo pa yung paglagay?
Oo, para maluto. Actually, dapat dalawa to. Kasi si Eliana, pinaluto yung
makikita nyo sa mapa, nilagyan ko ng yellow line, yun yung direction na tinahak namin. May coastal road, may coastal trek. Nag-cross kami ng bundok para kaming Moses and biblical types na baktas, lakad-lakad lang. Tapos ito yung maganda, nadaanan namin yung mga abandoned village dun sa Fanlao. Alam ko may kasaysayan dyan eh. Tsaka yung hindi namin napuntahan yung fortress, the fort, Lantau Fort, ginawa yan sa military base. Alam ko may kasaysayan na kasi research ko yan bago ko Tsaka yung Fanlao Lighthouse, meron pa nga silang parang obelisk dito, tsaka yung Fanlao Circles. Yung Fanlao Circles na makikita nyo, ilalagay ko na lang yung picture since hindi namin napuntahan, hindi ko natuntun. Para siyang katumbas ng Stonehenge ng UK. Kasi kung makikita nyo sa picture, naka-close march siya. May cyclone fence pinalibutan, konti lang siya, maliit lang siya, para lang siyang fire pit, pero gi-close ng Macau Hong Kong government kasi parang kino-consider nila yun na national treasure or heritage kasi may kwento din yan sa kasaysayan sa kanilang part of their history. May kwento yan bakit nabuo yung Fanlao Circles na yan. So kung makikita mo sa video, sa picture, para lang siyang yung iniwan na nagluto kayo, pinundok mo yung bato-bato, tas iniwan nyo, umalis kayo. Yun yung Fanlao Circles. Pero kung gaano kahalaga sa UK yung Stonehenge sa mga sinauna, ganun din yan sa Fanlao Circles. Kaya kinordon kasi nandyan sa batas ng Hong Kong na pag national treasure, national monument, protektahan mo yan, i-cordon mo yan. Kaso hindi ko matuntun saan, hindi ko alam saan. Tsaka malayo pa, wala to sa plano ko. Ang sa amin lang maging aesthetic, mag-relax kasi mamaya uuwi na kami ng Macau kasi Lunes may pasok na naman. So maganda yung dagat at yung weather, especially nung papalapit na ng yung dilim, parang nagpapagi na yung paningin ko. Sabi ni Edgar, okay ka lang? Sabi ko okay, kasi gusto ko ipagpatuloy yung lakad. Pero pag mahilig ka sa nature, sa hiking, ma-enjoy mo siya. Ma-enjoy ko talaga yung endurance, yung palo ng sakit ng binti ko. Parang yun yung hinahanap ko na pagpatuloy ko to, pushing the boundary, pushing the limit ba. Kasi sa Macau, nasa bahay lang kami, kaya less yung kinakain ko kasi wala naman akong mapagbaburn na ng kinakain ko eh. So kaya naglakas loob kami magpunta rito. Dalawa kami. Sayang hindi ko na-feature yung ibang dinaanan namin. Wala na talaga akong maisip na kunin to, gawin to kasi sa pagod matupong-tupong na yung bag ko sa kalibil ko na yung bag ko sa height ko. Nadadaanan kaming aso. Buti yung kasama naming Chinese, siya yung nag-interpret, siya yung parang mas kabisado niya ito kasi hardcore din yung pagdating sa trekking, climbing, gano'n eh. Sabi ko na kanya, hindi ba tayo akit ng bundok? Sabi niya, hindi naman. So sumabay na kami. So gano'n yung nangyari, kaya napadpad kami dito. Ang pagka-interpret ko nga dito eh, parang death zone nga kapag wala ka ng tubig maiinom. Tsak, nahihirapan ka. Tingnan mo nangyari ngayon. Wala kang mainom tubig, kawawa ka talaga, kaya wag kang asta-astang magpunta dito na kulang ka sa water, drinking water. Meron naman tubig pero hindi ko lang alam kung maiinom yan doon. Kaya sinasariwa namin yung dagat. Ganda ng buhangin, parang white beach ng Boracay, pero mas maputi pa rin yung Boracay. Ito parang hindi siya commercialized. May private property din to, inadaanan namin. Sabi respect private property, mga lupa, may landslide din doon. Ito yung papakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Okay, hindi ko lang ma-zoom. Hindi ko siya ma-zoom. Yung poste ng ilaw, diyan kami galing. Sandali, hanapin ko. So kami lang yung nagka-camp sa dagat. Hey. Designated. Diyan yung CR. Pangit na CR bro. Kung do not cross stream, water covered beach. Kaya mga kanin bayabas guys. So crunchy. Okay, kape naman tayo pagkatapos ng bayabas. Kape.
I think that's all throughout the time that we came here. Lord, as we go home, listen to our chosen angels to guide us and be with us always, and may the trails that we're going through will be the right path that we need to walk, and forgive us from our shortcomings. In this name I pray, amen.
Tada, sayang. Sana na-video ko yung kanina na pag-usap na. Putik, sayang yung kanin namin, naubusan pa ng butin. Pakain lang namin to sa aso. Doon ba? Yung may bridge. Tilapia pa yan. Papauwi na kami. Yung labas namin is yung sa Chick Peak Prison. Kailangan may time is 1:41. So sayang hindi naluto yung kanin namin, kaya tinapon lang namin sa gilid kasi may aso naman. So magsasalita muna ako ngayon habang may hangin pa kasi mamaya hingal na to. Diyan tayo magdaan ang maganda dyan. Yung may picture. Ngayon babalik lang ulit yung labas nito, Chick Peak Prison. inabutan kami ng ulan. Pero tuloy pa rin. Walang makakapagpigil sa aming mithiin na magkaroon ng fitness journey. Same time, para sa kalusugan namin kasi sabi nila, life begins at 40. Pero ngayon pa lang, pinaghahandaan mo na yung papasok ng 40. Diba? We are not rich, but we live like a millionaire. So ganun yung mindset. Isipin mo na lang, sa hospital, magkano oxygen tank? Ilang araw mo lang yan makukonsume. Pero yung binigay ni God na atmosphere, na breathable air, hindi mo mabibilang yan simula ng sanggol kang pinanganak. And that's free. So life is precious, guys. Yeah. Like I said, we're not rich, but we live like a millionaire in this hobbies and this passion. Yeah. Wag na. So nakaabot kami sa Chic Peak around 3:28 in the afternoon. Yan yung bus stop na, yan yung Chic Peak prison. Diyan kami sasakay kasi pauwi kami. Okay, food yeah. So pabalik na kami sa Macau and another day na naman ng umaatikabong adventure trail na wala sa plano. Now we're back in Macau. Ito yung passport namin. And papauwi na kami. So time check is 6:10. So maliwanag pa.
No? Sa pag-travel, single travel lang.
Yung overnight ba? Wala kang hinahabol na oras.
Wala kang dami.
Tulak-tulak. Wow! How do you start? Oh, we don't have lights.